It's going to be a wide-viewed lunar eclipse, and the second one of 2014, and it happens early in the morning. Kelly Beatty explains what makes this one so special.
I've got a real treat for night owls and early risers. On the morning of October
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Franklin County in east central Kentucky, west central Scott County in east central Kentucky, northeastern Shelby County in north central Kentucky, north central Woodford County in east central Kentucky until 3:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 miles southeast of Newcastle to 9 miles northeast of Shelbyville, and moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Frankfort, Jacksonville, Flags Fork, Bryant, Ottisville, Harveyland, Kennebec, Peaks Mill, Indian Hills, Barnett Hills, Jet, Elsinore, Sligway, Switzer, Duckers, Watkinsville, Woodlake, Stamping Ground, White Sulphur, and Duval. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure.
Everything together. 2 boyfriends, 3 jobs. You're like, nothing can replace Brad.
A tornado watch is in effect. Currently in our area, 63 degrees under cloudy skies. Tonight, thunderstorms early. A few storms may be severe. Low 50. Chance of rain 80%. Here's our 7-day outlook.
The wildest weather ever caught on camera. Oh my God! Tonight, tomorrow night, every weeknight.